It's often said, if you want great coffee, then you should start with great grinds. And this means grinding your beans fresh. The problem is, a good quality electric grinder is expensive, big, and noisy.
Dad!
The alternative is to use a manual grinder, which is, well, a real grind. I'm Patrick. I set out to develop a manual grinder which produces world-class coffee grounds, is a pleasure to use, and won't break the bank. After years of development and multiple rigs, I'm pleased to introduce the ROK Grinder. We're using individually machined steel conical burrs which are hardened for longevity. These are mounted into a rigid structure with a double bearing drive shaft which ensures the burrs don't wobble. This is extremely important as even a tiny wobble creates uneven grounds. Consistent coffee particle size promotes an even extraction, and this means great coffee. Check out our particle analysis graph on the campaign page to see how our grinds compare. You can adjust the fineness of the grounds by turning the calibrated wheel. I use number 5 for my espresso machine. Next, load up the hopper with beans. The top line is perfect for a double espresso. Then simply turn the handle. The bevel gearing makes light work of it, and we've added an agitator to ensure that all the beans pass through the burrs. Unlike electric grinders, the ROK grinder runs quietly. Included in the box is our metal grounds cup, which doubles as a tamp if you're making espresso. The ROK grinder can be set for any type of coffee: fine Turkish, filter, French press, or espresso. This little beauty is our award-winning manual espresso machine. We're teaming up with the Fair Trade Foundation, which supports coffee growing communities around the world. For every grinder we ship, we'll donate $5 to the foundation on your behalf. When I first tasted the results from our grinder, I was genuinely surprised. It reaffirmed to me how important coffee grounds are. We now need your help to bring it to market. It's got a sensible carbon footprint by being non-electric, but more importantly long-lasting. It's also better valued than many of the electric grinders out there. By pledging, you'll be amongst the first on the planet to own a ROK grinder and perfect your own style of handcrafted coffee.